Hello fellow plant lovers! Today's video will be a bit different because I will be showing you how we use a grass cutter in our mini farm. So we recently bought a grass cutter for our mini farm and I'm currently holding the user manual of that grass cutter. So it is a shoulder brush cutter and this is what it looks like. And the model is TD40. Let's take a quick look at the content of the user manual. This is the first page. It indicates the basic information about the grass cutter, like the weight, which is 9.2 kilograms, and the size. On the second page, it lists down some graphic warnings. Be sure to always read the user manual before using the grass cutter to avoid injuries. Always wear eye and ear protection. And the others. On the next page, it shows the safety rules. These are the parts of the engine of the grass cutter. These are the parts of the body of the grass cutter. Okay, so let's go to our mini farm and see the actual grass cutter. So this is how the actual grass cutter looks like. Grass cutter have two types. It can be 2-stroke or 4-stroke. What we bought is a 2-stroke grass cutter, and the main difference between the two is the 2-stroke engines require pre-mixing of oil and fuel, while the 4-strokes do not. 4-strokes, based on our tour on the shops, is more expensive than 2-stroke. 4-stroke engines are also heavier. They weigh upwards of 50% more than a comparable 2-stroke engine. I'll show you later how we mix the oil and the fuel when we use the grass cutter. Okay, so here's the body. And that's the metal blade at the end to cut the grass. If you don't want to use a metal blade, you can also replace it with nylon. The default blade when we bought the grass cutter is the metal blade, so we did not replace it with nylon. These are the graphic warnings that were shown on the user manual earlier. Be sure to always wear eye and ear protection. And you can also wear gloves and always read the user manual. So here's the handle of the grass cutter. And the engine part. Here's a closer look. It also contains a graphic warning, which means it's flammable. And here's the strap that you can wear. Here's what we will be using for our grass cutter. The one inside the Gatorade bottle is the premium gasoline, and here's the tutti oil that we will be mixing. So the ratio is that 1 bottle of premium gasoline inside the middle bottle here to 3 cups of tutti oil. We're now pouring the premium gasoline inside the grass cutter. We've already put the tutti oil, the 3 cups of tutti oil inside, but I did not show it on the video. We're now ready to start the grass cutter. First, turn it on. And adjust this a bit. And then pull it. Once you hear the sound, it's ready for use. As you can hear, the sound of the grass cutter is very loud. You can make the metal blade spin faster by adjusting the clip on the handle. We have not been on the mini farm for 2 weeks, that's why the grass is all over the place again. We make sure that we brought the grass cutter when we visit today so that we can cut the grass and clean the area. These are the pile of dead grass that was cut by the grass cutter. And as you can see, we're not yet done with the whole area. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Thank you!